All right, this video, it's still about long division, okay? It's still about long division. It is about just a little bit messier kind of long division, and then divisor, it's not like a nice one. It's a 2x minus 1, but it's okay. It's all right, okay? So again, as I said, it's like a 4-digit number divided by a 2-digit number. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So make sure that we have nice handwriting. Okay, everything is organized. Now, so I didn't mention this last video, but I'm going to mention this now, and that is a curveball. It's coming. Not like this one, but the curveball. It's coming. When I say it's coming, it's that like right here, you're just copying, right? Nothing to worry about. But sooner or later, by soon, I mean next video, I'm going to show you an example that you actually have one missing term. Like what do I mean by missing term? I mean something like this. That you might be missing a x squared term, all right? So it just have x 10x cubed plus 8x minus 2. Now, so this is like a 4-digit number with a 0 right there. Okay, it's still a 4-digit number, but that's a 0. Okay, so we'll see that in the moment. But now I just want to have your attention, thinking about it's not always just a straight copy and paste. Okay, so make sure that you are getting ready to see something more challenging in the near future. Okay. So 2x minus 1, nice. So we just go ahead and ask questions. And by the way, it's very important that you ask questions in your head, okay? Instead of telling your head what to do or telling your hand what to write, it's more important to ask questions. So we are like, 2x times what? It's 10x cubed, huh? That would be 5x squared. Okay, so 10x cubed, right? And then subtraction, and then you have the -1 times that. So right there. So 10x cubed all gone. Now be very careful. You have negative 9x squared minus negative of 5x squared. Now, some people, they may prefer to do this. I don't. Okay, let me tell you why I don't. The reason why I don't do that is because um, sometimes I do get distracted, and then if I look back and I see something like this, and then I might be thinking like, oh, so I'm going to do a subtraction of positive 5x squared. Like that's what happens when you're distracted. So I would rather just not put the extra stroke, just keep it as both minus. And every time I look at it, I just say it out loud. It is minus 9x squared minus negative 5x squared. Okay. That would guarantee myself that no matter if I'm distracted or not, I would not get this wrong. So this is going to be negative 9x squared plus 5x squared. That it's negative 4x squared. And then we pull the next term down. And then 2x times what? It's negative 4x squared. That will be negative 2x. So negative 2 times 2, it's 4. And x times x is x squared. And plus 2x in this case, because you have the negative and negative, okay? So again, you have a subtraction, so they're gone, and then positive 8x minus 2x, that would give you 6x, and 6x minus 2, and then I would do a plus 3, that would give me 6x, and then minus 3. Unfortunately, we have a remainder, and the remainder is uno, 1. That's the remainder. Okay, so because it's negative 2 minus negative 3, so that's 1. So if I have to write down the result, my quotient is 5x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, and then plus, yes, plus 1 over 2x minus 1. Okay, done. End of story. Yeah. Okay, so easy stuff. Easy stuff. Okay, just make sure that you have this consistent handwriting routine, notation, develop this habit. I mean, this habit stuck with me for at least over a decade. And it's like, when did I take pre-cal? I took pre-cal 2002, 2003. Yeah, 10 years. 10 years. Exact. No, wait, hold on. No, 20 years. 2 decades. It has stuck with me for 2 decades already. 10 years was, yeah, I graduated college more than 10 years. So how would it be 10 years? 20 years since 20 years ago, I was 20 years before this taping, I was a high school senior. Okay. So yeah, it has stuck with me for 20 years. So worked well. Okay, worked really well. So next video, curveball. Okay, curveball for long division. So stay tuned.